Hello, everyone, and welcome to another What's in the Box. So it's been a while since Wonderfest was over, and I have not gone through some of the things I bought. And I think I'm going to do just a quick series of What's in the Box, and they'll be coming out really quick. So this will be the first one in a series that'll be posted soon. At Wonderfest, I picked up from Cult TV Man my pre-order of the Gamera from X Plus, Gamera 99. And after I did that, I was like, man, I kind of want to. So I kept my official pre-order. I haven't opened them yet. The plastic is still on there. You can see. I'm going to go ahead and open up one of them and leave the other one sealed for now. So let's get into that real quick with the overhead cam. All right, here we are. I'm going to quick get this plastic off. Listen to that wrapper come off. There we go. All right. Gamera 99. First of all, love the artwork. Really cool painting. Love that box art. Got the sides. Contents include unassembled plastic kit, 1/700 scale. Bottom is just plain cardboard. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Ta-da! All right. Now, when I did see this thing finally built in person, because there was one there, and I think I saw one online somewhere, I was kind of disappointed with the size. It's small. It is not your typical, like, Kyoto Gamera kit that I'm kind of used to, so it is a little bit smaller. But the bonus to that is, if you do want to build some sort of larger scale diorama, it'll kind of help you out, because you don't have to go so big. So I'm going to rip all these open and then go through them kind of one at a time. And, oh man, that already, I just got some anxiety over something I just noticed. So let's pull these out. Raw. A piece went flying. There it is. Piece came off. Let's go there. There's all the sprues open. So I'm going to go ahead and move this, and go through the instructions real quick. There's the instructions, kind of the typical what's been coming out lately. The X Plus long box, kind of off-white, with a really nice instruction sheet, once again, with what they've been doing. And that is, I would say, really well done. There's a lot to this, even though it's small. And remember when I said anxiety? All the little shell segments are separate, which I didn't figure was the case. So, wow. Okay. And what's coming soon? The T-Rex and the Shin Ultraman. There's a pro tip in there. Paint all over the shell parts with pastels for weathering effects. Sprinkle matte fixative on there. Details. Pro tip. That's pretty cool. So, all right. I love their instruction kits. Instruction sheets. There we go. All right. So let's get into that. All right. So first sprue, here is the shell. It is 2 halves. The tail is 2 halves. But each one of those, like I said, they're numbered, so it's not going to be that much of a problem to get them on there. Okay. So there's that. Let's look at some body parts. This looks like the underneath part of the shell, the underbelly. Piece that needs to go back in there, and this looks like some feet. The other half of the feet, and the bottom. The soles of the feet. These up. The details really crisp. That one. And this is the one where the piece went flying off when I was opening the. Or no, that's not it. Coming up. Parts. Not entirely sure what they go to. But some toes. Other parts. There's that sprue. Here is the head. Now, I think you have the option. The mouth can open and close. So I'll have to double check, but hopefully that's just kind of like hinged in there. You don't have to pick which way to do it, and you don't have to glue it that way, but that's part of that. Those are the head pieces there. This is where this shell segment came off. So it goes there. So these are the individual little shell pieces. More shell pieces. And more shell pieces. So this is that underbelly part, more shell segments. Where were the... That's the Gamera. Oh, there's the eye. So it's kind of weird. So there's his eyeball right there. So that kind of gives you an idea of the size. Part 31. That's his head, neck, top of the head, inside of the jaw. Inside, that's the under part of the mouth. Top part. The tusks. Gamera's tusks. That we're all kind of used to seeing. A tongue is separate. And like I said, there's a separate... Thought there was a separate arm piece for a cut off arm. And let me pull those instructions back out so you kind of get an idea. Unless I'm totally mistaken, and that's a separate kit, maybe a deluxe version. Yeah, I'm not seeing it on here. That might be a different separate kit. So now I have an extra one for no reason. Let's go back and look. I swear I saw something that had... Oh, it does. You have to pick between there. But I don't see the cutoff arm anywhere. How did I get that confused? Anyway, that's the Gamera kit. Those are all the sprues. Those are the parts. So now I have an extra one. Maybe I'll be selling it at some point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 sprues of parts. And again, a shell. That's going to be fun. So that's the Gamera kit in a nutshell. Everything kind of fits back in there pretty easy. Just wanted everybody to kind of see what's in the box for Gamera X Plus 1999. Let's put it all back in. Put the instructions in first. I didn't drop the box this time. Sealing it back up. There you have it. Gamera. See you next time, everybody.